Hi guys, so this is the search engine, and one thing that we must be careful is to name the search results folder as search results. Now, at the search engine, set the search results target to the search results page, to the same page here. And that's all. Now just add your search items, text, tags, and option link. You can add as many as you need. Then just publish the page. And that's all. Let's test it. Note that this page is already published. So here it's showing the published page. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.